Let's learn table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. Let's repeat. 3 1 is a 3, 3 2 is a 6, 3 3 is a 9, 3 4 is a 12, 3 5 is a 15, 3 6 is a 18, 3 7 is a 21, 3 8 is a 24, 3 9 is a 27, 3 10 is a 30, 4 1 is a 4, 4 2 is a 8, 4 3 is a 12, 4 4 is a 16, 4 5 is a 20, 4 6 is a 24, 4 7 is a 28, 4 8 is a 32, 4 9 is a 36, 4 10 is a 40, 5 1 is a 5, 5 2 is a 10, 5 3 is a 15, 5 4 is a 20, 5 5 is a 25, 5 6 is a 30, 5 7 is a 35, 5 8 is a 40, 5 9 is a 45, 5 10 is a 50, 6 1 is a 6, 6 2 is a 12, 6 3 is a 18, 6 4 is a 24, 6 5 is a 30, 6 6 is a 36, 6 7 is a 42, 6 8 is a 48, 6 9 is a 54, 6 10 is a 60, 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35, 7 6 is 42, 7 7 is 49, 7 8 is 56, 7 9 is 63, 7 10 is 70, 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24, 8 4 is 32, 8 5 is 40, 8 6 is 48, 8 7 is 56, 8 8 is 64, 8 9 is 72, 8 10 is 80, 9 1 is 9, 9 2 is 18, 9 3 is 27, 9 4 is 36, 9 5 is 45, 9 6 is 54, 9 7 is 63, 9 8 is 72, 9 9 is 81, 9 10 is 90. चले प्यारे बच्चों दोहराते हैं. 9 1 is 9, 9 2 is 18, 9 3 is 27, 9 4 is 36, 9 5 is 45, 9 6 is 54, 9 7 is 63. 9 8 is 72. 9 9 is 81. 9 10 is 90. 10 1 is 10. 10 2 is 20. 10 3 is 30. 10 4 is 40. 10 5 is 50. 10 6 is 60. 10 7 is 70. 10 8 is 80. 10 9 is 90. 10 10 is 100.